Hi again everyone, this is me, Sir Alan, and welcome to Alano TV Official. Before we proceed with our discussion today, so our first topic for third quarter, so makikiusap muna ako guys na please subscribe my YouTube channel, Alano TV Official, for more video tutorials. So our topic today is quadrilaterals and its definition. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang quadrilaterals. So ano nga ba yung quadrilateral? So ito yung tsura niya. So quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. So kapag may nakita kayong figure which is polygon na may 4 na sides, definitely yan po ay isang quadrilateral. Okay? Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Okay? So alam nyo na po yan guys. Alam ko master nyo na po yan. What are the kinds of quadrilaterals? So marami po yung klase. So una is a parallelogram. So ito po yung tsura niya guys. Kung nakikita nyo para siyang rectangle na nakapahilis ng konti. So what is a parallelogram? So parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel. So kung nakikita po natin, so meron po siyang sabi 2 pairs of opposite sides. So meron nakatayo at meron ding nakahiga are parallel. So parallel po siya. Okay, so that is a parallelogram. Secondly is a rectangle. So ito po yung tsura niya guys. What is a rectangle? A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. So meron daw siyang 4 na right angles. Isa siyang parallelogram with 4 right angles. So kung alam niyo yung right angles that measures 90 degrees, so ito pong area na to, so this one, the 4 corners of rectangle measures 90 degrees or it form a right angle. So meron siyang 4 na right angles. Okay? I hope you get it guys na. Next is the rhombus. So kung nakita yung rhombus guys, para lang siyang square na nakapailing ng konti. Okay? So what is a rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. So meron siyang 4 daw na congruent sides. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yan po yung 4 na sides niya which are congruent. Pag sinabing congruent, they have the same measure. Okay? Meron siyang 4 na congruent sides which means 4 na magkakaparehong sukat. Okay? Pareho yung length. Pareho yung haba niya. Okay? Next one is the square. So what is a square? A square is a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. So kung napansin nyo guys yung kaibahan ng rhombus kanina, meron siyang 4 congruent sides, right? But ang square, meron na siyang 4 din na right angles. Yung parang sa rectangle. No? So, this one here, this side, and also this one, forms a right angle which measures 90 degrees. Very good. And the 4 sides, this one, the sides of the square are congruent. Which means, pag sinabing congruent, pare-pareho po sila ng length. Okay? Magkakasing haba lang po sila. So, that is a square. Next is a kite. So, familiar naman kayo sa kite, guys, ano? Parang mukha siyang saranggola. So, ayun. So, what is a kite? A kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of adjacent side. So, 2 pairs of adjacent side daw, guys. Yung adjacent kasi, pag sinabing adjacent sides, they have the common vertex. Magkakapareho yung sukat nila. So, which are which are these two opposite pairs of adjacent sides. So this one, and this one. Also this part, this one, and this one. So, ayun, magkakasukat po yun sila, guys, no? That sides are the two pairs of adjacent side. Okay? Very good. I hope you get it. So, madali lang po siya, guys. Next is the trapezoid. So, ayun. Yan po yung itsura ng trapezoid, guys. So, what is a trapezoid? Trapezoid is a quadrilateral. So, quadrilateral is a four-side figure with exactly one pair of opposite sides parallel. So, iisa lang daw po ng pares ng side which is parallel. So, alin siya? Ito na area, at saka ito. Kung nakita nyo, guys, ayan, itong side na to. So, yan lang po yung isang pares ng side niya na parallel. So, kung nakikita po natin yung magkabilang side, hindi po sila parallel, no? Yung isa nakatayo, yung isa pahilis. So, yun po yung trapezoid natin. Okay? Next. Next is isosceles trapezoid. So, kung nakikita nyo to, guys, no, para siyang bubungan. So, ayan. Para siyang bubong ng bahay. Okay, so what is an isosceles trapezoid? An isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid, so trapezoid po siya, whose non-parallel opposite sides are congruent. Okay? So, meron daw siyang parallel sides, non-parallel sides, opposite, which are congruent. So, alin yung congruent side niya dyan, guys? Ito, at saka ito, yung parang bubungan mismo. Ayan, so ito yung congruent. Ayan, at saka ito na side. Okay? So, yun po yung trapezoid. Meron siyang non-parallel opposite sides are congruent. So, okay, guys. I hope you understand. Okay, so there are guarantee that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So, meron siyang palatandaan ng isang quadrilateral ay isang parallelogram. So, first condition is the two pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Two pairs of opposite sides are congruent. So, kapag ang quadrilateral daw na two pairs, so may dalawang pares ng opposite sides congruent, that is a parallelogram. So, kung nakikita nyo, guys, yung segment natin na AB measure 7, and yung segment na CD also measure 7. So, opposite po sila. Yung segment AC at yung segment BD, opposite din, has also the same measurement. So, two pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Okay, so that is the first condition that guarantee a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Next one. Next is two pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Two pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Example, this is the angle A and angle D. So, since they are opposite, ibig sabihin magkatapat po sila, guys, pareha daw sila ng measurement. For example, given ang ating angle A there is 120 degrees. Kunwari, 120 degrees yung angle A natin. So, definitely, our angle D is also 120 degrees. Okay? And the other one, example, the angle B given angle B is, this is 60 degrees. Ayan. So definitely our angle C there, which is the opposite of angle B, is also 60 degrees. Ayan. So, ayan guys, no? So, meron silang two pairs of opposite angles are congruent. So, dalawang magkatapat na angle, magkaparehas po ng measurement. Okay? So, that is the second guaranteed that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. I hope you follow, guys. Okay? Next one is any two consecutive angles are supplementary. Okay, pag sinabing supplementary guys, ano yon? Pag sinabing supplementary, yung dalawang angle natin, pag pinag-add, measures 180 degrees. Okay, so therefore, we'll take the examples given number 2. So our angle A and angle D is 120 degrees. Ayan, 120 degrees. And our angle B and C are 60 degrees. Ang hirap po magsulat guys, no? Ayun, 60 degrees. Okay, so any two consecutive angles are supplementary. So kapag pinag-add daw natin yung dalawang magkasunod na angles, it measures 180 degrees. Example, angle A and angle B, magkasunod. So 120 plus 60 is 180 degrees. So supplementary po siya. Okay? I hope you follow. Example again, your angle A and angle C. So, dalawang magkasunod po yan, guys, no? So, kapag pinag-add natin yung dalawa, that measures 180 degrees. Okay? So, 180 degrees po siya. So, ayun. So, two consecutive angles are supplementary. So, yan po yung sinasabi ng quadrilateral na isa po siyang parallelogram. Okay? Next. I hope na nasundan tayo, guys. Next. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Pag sinabing diagonal, guys, so ito po yung line na nagko-connect sa opposite na side or opposite angle. So therefore, this one and this one. So these are their diagonals, your segment AB and segment BC. Okay? So, yun po yung diagonals natin. So, ano sabi dyan? The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Pag sinabing bisect, guys, pag sinabing bisect, hinahati nila yung isa't isa into two equal parts. So, therefore, itong side na to, itong segment na to at ito, is magkaparehas ng length. Okay? I hope na nasundan. For example, your segment BC is 10 centimeters. So therefore, these sides there measures 5. Yung dalawang ito. 5 centimeters po siya. Kasi nahati po siya sa dalawa. No? Ito 5, ito 5. Okay? And your segment AD, ayan, yung diagonal na yan, for example, that is 8 cm. So, since nahati po siya, so therefore, magiging 4 cm na lang ito, and this is 4 cm. So, they bisect each other. So, hinati po nila yung isa't isa into two equal parts. Okay? So, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. And lastly, the diagonals of a parallelogram forms two congruent triangles. So kapag dinuwingan mo daw siya ng diagonals, ang mangyayari daw is magkakaroon siya ng dalawang congruent na triangle. Quadrilateral ABCD. So lalagyan natin ng diagonal. So ayun guys. So magiging triangle na yung mag-opposite na side. So this are triangle. So this would be triangle A, B, and D, and triangle A, C, and D. Since naging dalawang triangle na siya, magiging dalawang congruent triangles na po siya. So, that will forms two congruent triangles. Okay, so magkaparehas na po yung length ng triangle na iyon. Okay? Very good. I hope you understand, guys. So, that would be all for today's session. And sana naintindihan po tayo. So, thank you so much, guys, and bye-bye.